Hi guys, hi, how are you doing? I hope you're salama and you are all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's yet another beautiful day and I'm happy for this day. So guys, thank you so much for the support that you've shown me in my previous videos. I really appreciate it, Sana, and I'm much humble. Thank you so much. Today we are in day 9 of our 30 days of being consistent here in YouTube, and I'm here with another and a very exciting video. Yeah, in today's video guys, we are going to our tea plantation whereby I'm going to pluck tea, then I'll show you the process in which we are going to do it. So basically today's video is all about tea farming here in our countryside home. Yeah, and the person behind my camera is my beautiful mom. Yeah, so yeye ndo ako behind the scenes leo. So let's go. This is what I'm going to use. Hii ndio tunatumia kuitumia chai. And tutaivalia hivi tu, then tunaenda. Lazima nibebe mzigo zangu. Ba. The farm that we are going is not far, it's just next to our fence. This is my mama, the one behind my camera. Mom, skiba gebute chai kwanus. Yeah, so the farm that I'm going iko tu hapa. Iko hapo Simbali, so let's go. Nitaonyesha tukifika pale. Bye bye for now. Twende. Haina shida, itapita tu. The shamba that we are going iko tu hapa. Utaweza kuingia? Hai bravata. Kama hata yeye anajua inabidi ajichunge tu. Okay. Kai chabo? Si naendelea. Wengi na amena na yenyu sana. Kibendi ni vijunis. Mati nyengal ji. Chap ko yu ga namda. Dilla? Farming has never been easy. Each day, tea farmers wake up very early in the morning to prepare themselves for the work of the day. It's never an easy task because they are muchly affected by the weather. They pray for good weather for the day, a weather which is not too sunny or too cold. They pray that it doesn't rain during the day because heavy rains will affect their productivity of the day. As I walk through this road, I see the amazing tea plantation and it makes me happy and appreciate the nature more. I learned to embrace the universe because it has a lot in it. Look at how this tea is flowering well. It's so greeny and it's so lively. The whole place look like this, so green, and I appreciate this more. In this journey, I'm doing this with my mother, who will be my camera person as well as the person we shall be doing. So guys, here we are in the farm. As you can see, kuna side zote mbili. And in a farm kuna hii kalaini na chongo hapa. This is where the njia ya kupita in between, Then as you can see on this other side, chai ni kidogo, like ziko fupi, Then on this other side ziko kubwa kubwa. This is because zinafika a certain period, then chai zinakatwa ndo zikigrow zinakuwa tena smart even hivyo. That is how tea farming inafanyiwa. Sila. Hi baby. This land is so huge. It's like I can't even approximate the acres of this land. And it's full of tea. Though tea farming needs a lot of work because you need to take care of your farm so well that it doesn't have a lot of weeds. You have to put fertilizers and all of that. During the plucking session, you need to be careful because there is a way that tea needs to be plucked. Like it has to have three leaves, 2 in the side and 1 in the middle. That is what they call, that is I think I'm getting to enjoy this process than before. Though you need to concentrate too much because you need to get yourself quality tea. Because if you don't get the quality tea, it will be declined from the factory and you will not be able to sell them. So I needed to be much careful. At this point, I was just laughing with my mother because he's the one behind my camera. And it was so fun. She was my director. This was so lovely. Yeah, despite the fact that you were already tired, you still managed to laugh and enjoy yourself in this tiny farm. I wish I could do this more and more each and every day. It's so lovely. Yeah, that's my tea. Farmers normally get paid per kilo, whereby if you are the one plucking for your person, you get 6 shillings per kg. And then when it is taken to the factory, now the owner gets like 27 shillings per kg, the total. This is my close up. Was just trying to get good angles and to change the how it looks like. At this point, I was telling my mother how difficult it is to be a content creator as well as filming herself, because that's two different careers. That's my mom over there. I believe it was also her first time doing this. And she really enjoyed it. And then a small baby there, kazi yake ni kucheza tu. It was also the first time for the baby to be in this farm. It was so fun. I wish I would come here each and every day. Yo, look at that. My father used to work in a tea factory before he retired. So apparently, let's say my dad knows the taste of different tea. Like, you can give him this tea and he's like, no, this tea iko na ishida na ishida na ishida. And for a normal person, mi siwezi jua, you know. That's the difference between me and my father. Yeah, and he's so passionate in tea farming. I wish I could get him talk to you about tea.
It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you.
As we continued plucking our tea, we saw this person who was cutting the tea, and then I requested if I could film him doing the process, and he agreed. He was so happy to see me filming him, though I don't know if he knew that I was going to post this, but anyway, I've posted it here. He was so happy. Yeah, tea usually zinakatwa hivi after a while so that new tea leaves can generate from the tea itself. You do this process with a lot of skill because there is a way that it needs to be cut with a lot of kizungu imepotea. Look at that. Yeah. Then after now we are done with our work. That's how the farm looks like after imekatwa. We are heading back home. At this point, guys, I was so exhausted. I was so tired, you know. But I enjoyed doing this because it was my first time, though. We don't normally do it because of a lot of stuff. So we normally hire people to come and do it for us. That's my mother and my nephew. Tunarudi home sasa. Lucky enough, my home is not far from where we were. So it's just a few minutes, then we were done. Tukafika home. I wish I could have stayed longer. Then I see the number of kgs that I'll get from doing this. Look at how green the place looks like. For the few minutes that we stayed here, that is the tulichuna hiyo pekee. Yeah, so guys, this is the road that is heading to a tea buying center. I was going that, and those are the vehicles that takes our tea to the factory. I wish one day I'll go to the factory and shoot something for you guys. I don't know. That's another vehicle, another lorry. They usually comes and makes a lot of noise to announce themselves that they have already arrived. And that is our tiny tea buying center, where the farmers bring their tea to this place. Then the lorry will come and collect them and take them to the factory. Let's go and show you how the inside looks like. When you first enter, you see these high-raised tables. This is the place where the tea are being placed. To increase the space of this place, it was put here. So I was going to measure the kgs that one of my father's person. I'll come as later. And that was me using the weighing scale, checking if it's okay. And that's the tea. Then after you pour it down, then make a hole for circulation. And then you make sure that you put your number there, so that when the lorry comes, isiconfuse na zingine. Yeah, and there maybe those I don't know the writings there. And basically that's how our tea buying center looks like. I hope this has been amazing for you.